My name is Yuxuan Tang, and I'm taking the course of Probability and Stochastic Process. Let's talk about question 3. A digital signal 1 or 0 is transmitted through a noisy channel. The received data may be different from the signal sent out. Suppose the transmitter sent out 0 with probability 0.6 and 1 with probability 0.4. When 0 is transmitted, the receiver receives 0 with probability 0.7 and 1 with probability 0.3. When 1 is transmitted, the receiver receives 0 with probability 0.2 and 1 with probability 0.8. The first question is to find out the probability that data 0 is transmitted. Suppose there are 4 events. The first event is the transmitter sent 0. The B event is transmitter send 1, and C event is the transmitter send 0, and the receiver receives 0. The event D is the transmitter send 1 and the receivers receive 1. And the probability of A event is 0.6. Probability of B event is 0.4. Probability of C event is 0.7, and probability of event D is 0.8. So when the data 0 is received, there are 2 circumstances. First one is the transmitter sends 0 and the receiver receives 0. So it's PA multiply PC. And second circumstances is the transmitter sends 1, but the receiver receives 0. So it's PB multiply with 1 minus PD. So it's 0.6 multiply 0.7 add 0.4 multiply with 0.2, and the answer is 0.5. And the question is to find the probability of error. Means the probability that 1 is received when 0 was transmitted, or 0 is received when 1 is transmitted. So there are two circumstances. The first one is the transmitter sends 0 but the received 1, so is PA multiply with 1 minus PC. And second circumstances is the transmitter sends 1 but the receiver receives 0, so it's PB multiply with 1 minus PD. The answer is 0.6 multiply 0.3 and we add 0.4 multiply 0.2, so the answer is 0.22.